Hello, good day. How are you today? You are fine, right? Yes, okay. We are going to be learning about sources of water. Where do we get water from? We are going to be learning about where we get our water from. Are we ready? Good. Okay, let's go. Where do we get water from? We get water from the tap, and tap is spelled T-A-P. Tap. Tap is spelled T-A-P. Tap. We get water from tap. Remember, water is a clear liquid substance, and we get water from our taps. We have taps at home. We have taps at home, right? Yes, we do. And we get water from taps. When we on our taps, water rushes out. It does what? Rushes out, right? Good. This is called tap. And tap is spelled T-A-P. Tap. Tap is spelled T-A-P. Tap. And tap is where we get our water from. Is that right? In our homes, we can find taps, right? Yes, we can. Water comes out from our taps, and we can use it to wash our hands, take our baths, and drink, right? Yes, we can. And where else do we get water from? This is called well. It is called wells. And people get their waters from wells. It's like a deep hole. It's like a what? Deep hole in the ground where water is stored and it can be pumped up. Okay? This is called wells. And this is a picture of a boy drawing water from the well. Well is a deep hole in the ground and it stores water. Some persons get their water from the well. Okay? This is also a source of water. It is also where we get our water from. We get our waters from tap and we also get our waters from well. Okay? We also get our waters from lakes. We also get our water from lakes, and lake is spelled L-A-K-E-S. Lakes. Lakes is spelled L-A-K-E-S. And lake, they are like a big puddle of water, just like this picture we have here. It stays in one place. You can find fishes and ducks in the lake. You can find fishes and ducks in the lake. Lake is like a big puddle of water and it stays in one place, just like these pictures we have here. Okay? We get waters also from lakes. And what can we find inside lakes? We can find fishes and we can also see ducks on the lake. Okay? What else or where else can we find water? We can get water from the rivers. We can get water from where? Rivers. Rivers are big long streams. They are what? Big long streams. They keep flowing through towns or in the nature. They keep flowing through towns or in nature. Okay? Rivers are bigger than lake. Remember, lake is a big small big puddle that stays in one place. But river flows. It does what? It flows. Did we get that? We did, right? We get water from the tap, we get water from the well, we get water from the lakes, and we also get water from rivers. And where else do we get water from? We get water from the ocean. We get water from the ocean. And oceans is spelled Oceans. Oceans. We get water from the ocean and it's the biggest source of water. It's like the Great Sea where there are lots of water. It is very big. You can't see the end of an ocean. Ocean is very big and there are different fishes inside. We have the shark, we have the dolphins, we have different kind of fishes inside the oceans. Oceans are very big and we also can get water from the oceans. Okay, we can also get water from rain. We can also get water rain. We can also get water from rain. Water comes from the sky as raindrops. That's what? Raindrops. When it rains, it wets the ground and wets the plants and also helps the animals to drink water. So when rain falls, it helps wet the ground and helps wet the plants. So rain is also where we can get water from. I'm sure we have seen when rain is falling, right? Yes, we have. We have seen when rain is falling. So our sources of water, where we get water from, we have the taps, the wells, the lakes, the rivers, oceans, and rains. Again, taps, lakes, wells, rivers, oceans, and rains. We got that right? Yes, we did. So now we are going to know the importance of clean water. We are going to know the importance of clean water. You know we drink water, right? We drink water and we have to be drinking clean water because if we drink clean water, it helps our body works properly and keeps us strong, very strong. So drinking clean water is important because it keeps us healthy and it keeps us strong. And we should also bathe clean water. We should also do what? Bathe clean water. Bathing clean water keeps us clean and it makes us feel good and comfortable. It makes us feel good and comfortable. When we bathe clean waters, we feel very fresh. We feel very what? Fresh and we feel nice and comfortable. But if we bathe dirty water, our bodies will be itching us and will not feel comfortable, right? You start scratching your body. So bathing clean water is important because it keeps us clean and it also keeps us healthy and comfortable. Okay? So bathing clean water is important. Drinking clean water is important because it keeps us strong and healthy. Using clean water to cook is also important. It is also what? Important. When mommy cooks, she uses clean water because using clean water to cook is important. It makes the food very yummy. It makes the food very yummy. So when we use clean water to cook our food, it makes it very yummy and sweet and nice. Mommy doesn't use dirty water to cook. She uses clean water. She uses clean water to make our noodles. She uses clean water to make our rice. She uses clean water to make our pasta. She uses clean water for everything. She doesn't use dirty water. Clean water is also important for watering our plants. It's also important for what? Watering our plants, and for animals also to drink because it keeps them strong and healthy. You know, human beings are not only the ones that should be healthy, right? You are not the only one that should be healthy. Plants also should be healthy. So you water plants with clean water. You don't use dirty water to water plants. You use clean waters to water plants because they need to be healthy. Also, animals like cats, dogs, lions, tigers, they are also to drink clean water because it will keep them healthy. It will do what? Keep them healthy. So now we are going to know the consequences of bad water. If you take bad water, what is it going to do to you? We are going to find out. Are you ready to find out what bad water will do to you? When you take bad water, you will fall sick. You will do what? Fall sick. And bad water will also dirty your clothes. It will do what? Dirty your clothes and make you smell. If you bathe bad water, you will smell and it will also dirty your clothes. This is bad water, right? Bad water also kills animals. It does what? Kills animals, and we don't want animals to die, right? Just like the fish over here, bad water killed it. So bad water kills animals and it also kills plants. If you use bad water to water a plant, it kills the plant. So bad water is not good. Bad water shouldn't be used for anything. You shouldn't drink bad water because you fall sick. And when you use bad water with your clothes, it will be dirty and you will be smelling. Okay? So bad water isn't good. We should stay away from bad water and smelling water. Okay? It is harmful to the nature. It is what? Harmful to the nature. So we don't use bad water. Okay? Good. So how do we purify our water before drinking? What do we mean by purify? How do we make our water clean if we want to drink our water? If you get your water from the well, from the river, from the lake, or from the ocean, you will first of all filter your water. You will do what? First of all, filter your water. And when you filter your water, you boil it. You do what? Boil it so that it will be clean. When you boil it, you allow it to cool down because if you drink it immediately you boil it will burn your mouth, right? Yes, it will burn your mouth. So you allow it to cool down before you pour and drink. Okay? So how do we make our water clean before we drink? We filter it first, then we boil it, then we allow it to cool down before we drink. Okay? Good. So you are going to be identifying the name of these items where we get our water from. You can do that, right? We mentioned them earlier. So I'm sure you can do it. This is called the what? And this is called the what? And this is called the what? And this is called what? You have to identify